Hey guys, Eric here from Top Guns in Terre Haute, Indiana. On today's episode of Range Talk, we're going to be discussing how to properly draw your firearm from concealment. As you can see, I'm wearing a hooded sweatshirt. The technique for this garment is going to be quite a bit different than, say, if I were wearing an open front jacket or shirt. So let's talk about this garment and then we'll move on to the next. The first thing I need to consider is getting my garment out of the way. And the way I accomplish that is with my non-dominant hand. I'm going to come across my body, grab the garment down low. I'm going to exaggerate pulling it up and out of the way because I don't want any part of this garment coming in between my hand and the grip of my firearm. So I'm going to establish my grip in my holster, finger far away from the trigger, draw, barrel goes horizontal with the ground. At that point, everything is just as we discussed from drawing from an outside the waistband holster, open carry if you will. Present, straight out, sights on target. Okay guys, let's talk about reholstering our firearm now. One thing I want to pay strict attention to is my outer garment. I don't want this garment to be tucked down into my holster in any way. It's not going to allow me to holster my firearm safely. So what I'll do is I'll come across again, get that garment out of the way with my non-dominant hand. As you can see, my finger is well away from the trigger. Look my gun back down in my holster. Make sure it locks in secure, and I'm good to go. Folks, as you can see, we've moved away from the hoodie and gone to an open front jacket. The technique we're going to talk about now works well both for the jacket and just an open front button-down shirt, if you will. So the first thing I want to be mindful of is getting my garment out of the way, very similar to the hoodie in that respect. So what I'm going to do is take my strong hand, 4 fingers, I'm going to grasp my outermost garment, being a jacket or a shirt, and I'm going to sweep it back out of the way and establish my grip on my gun once again before it ever comes out of my holster. I draw, go horizontal, and present. Now, to reholster this firearm, once again, I have to be mindful about this outermost garment. It has to be out of the way, or I could tuck part of the garment down inside the holster during my reholster. So I'm going to bring this back out of the way and look my firearm down into my holster, ensuring that my garment is well out of the way. One thing I like to do when I'm wearing a jacket, especially a light nylon jacket like this, is I'll put something with a little bit of weight in the pocket. In this case, I've got a flashlight. What that allows me to do is more effectively sweep my garment back out of the way. It works well. Obviously, I can't do that technique with a button-down shirt, but with a jacket, it does work very well. Guys, if you have any future ideas for other videos you'd like to see, don't hesitate to send us a message. Don't forget to comment, like, and share down at the bottom. We'll see you for the next video. Thanks.